I'm going to give you 5 crystal clear ways you can take Black Friday to the max this holiday season, but not just for the holidays, all year long. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do it and set everything up too, because let's face it, Black Friday is going to come around. You're going to heavily discount products. You're going to run amazing sales. You're going to spend a lot of money on ads. You're going to give huge discounts, but probably just to your existing customers. And you'll do a lot of sales, but you might not even make a lot of money. And if you don't run those sales, your customers are going to go to a competitor, so you have to do them, right? Well, this year, if you run the sales, you might as well keep those customers all year long. So I'm going to give you 5 tips how you can run amazing sales with subscriptions to turn these one-time shoppers into year-long customers. So let's get started. Black Friday to the max, tactic number 1 is very simple. Default to subscribe. This sounds like an easy one, and it actually is. Defaulting to subscribe is just like it sounds. Make your subscriptions default to subscribe, just like in this example here. And why is this important? Well, because this one simple change has been proven to increase one-time to subscription conversion by over 20%. It literally takes 7 seconds to set this up, and probably less than 15% of our shops actually take advantage of this. So in your shop, just head over to your theme settings, click on customize, then go to any product template that has a subscription widget. Now select that subscription widget at block, and here's where you can customize everything, colors, copy, etc. But up at the top here, there's a little checkbox that says default to subscribe. Simply check that, and that's it. Now subscriptions that use this product template will default to subscribe. It's specific by template, so you can actually have some products that default to one time if you want, and some products that default to subscribe, but I'd of course recommend turning them all onto default to subscribe. This one simple change can increase subscription conversion over 20%, and we've seen it happen. So make sure this Black Friday it's on, and throughout the holidays, and actually all year long. Black Friday to the max, tactic number 2, subscription upsells. If anyone knows upsells, I feel like it's us. We invented upselling for Shopify, and we launched the first ever Shopify upselling app back in 2012. Today, over 100,000 stores have used it to boost average order value and sales and increase revenue. There's one thing we know about upsells. They do work, and they work at converting one-time purchasers into subscribers as well. So here's what a subscription upsell looks like. When a customer adds a product to their cart as a one-time purchase, show them an upsell offer to upgrade to a subscription and save. It's the perfect spot to remind them how much they save by subscribing. They can cancel, edit, skip anytime, and any other benefits or perks that come with your subscriptions as well. This holiday season, make sure to turn subscription upsells on, and honestly, you can expect to see about roughly 6% more one-time buyers convert into subscribers. It's a piece of cake to set this up. Let me show you how. Subscription upsells are one of the new maximizers that we released that works seamlessly when using both subscriptions and both upsell together to maximize every subscriber. So to set it up, just head to your upsell app, click create offer, and then give it an internal name. We can call it subscription upsell. Now, this is an upsell, not a cross sell. So we'll select upsell, and then we choose what products we want to apply it to. You can apply subscription upsells to a hand selected selection of products, collections, or for this example, I created a smart collection that automatically includes every product in my entire store, and I'm going to use that. So now it doesn't matter that not every product in my store has a subscription. This will only show on products that have a subscription. And best of all, as I add more products with subscriptions, they'll automatically be included in this subscription upsell as well. So now when I'm creating the offer, I just make sure to select upsell a subscription, which of course removes the option to select a product because I don't need to offer a product. It's going to offer the exact same product, but just as a subscription. Next, let's give it a little bit of a call to action. So make sure to remind your customers how much they save if they subscribe. Make sure to remind them that they can cancel anytime with a click, pause, skip, edit, and any other perks that come with your subscription. So like maybe it's a free coffee mug with the first month of the coffee subscription. Make sure to highlight all of that in this upsell offer. And then that's it. Click save and you're done. Now when a customer tries to place an order for a one-time product on your store that has a subscription, they'll get a gentle reminder to subscribe. And this one simple change will increase conversion from one-time purchases to subscriptions by roughly 6%. So make sure to have this one on for Black Friday and honestly, all year long as well. Black Friday to the max, tactic number 3, dynamic discounts. Dynamic discounts are one of our newest features and one you'll definitely want to use over the holidays. With dynamic discounts, you can give one discount on the first month when a customer orders a subscription, and then change it to a different discount on month 2 or any other month you specify. So instead of running your 60% off Black Friday sale across the whole store, and then the customer buys it and they're gone forever, give your best discounts to your best customers. And your best customers are your subscribers. So with dynamic discounts, you can promote Black Friday savings now and forever. So create your big 60% off discount for month 1, and then set it to convert to a standard subscription on month 2 and so forth. Doing this, you can expect to watch your subscription conversion go through the roof this year. If your best offers are on a subscription for the first month, that if a customer wants to cancel, they can. And let's face it, some will cancel it on month 2, and that's okay. Because remember, if they just got 60% off buying it as one time on your normal Black Friday sale, they'd be gone month 2 anyway. But well over half, probably 60 or 70%, will keep it month 2 and on forever as a subscription. So put your best sales as month 1 with subscriptions using dynamic discounts. Black Friday to the max, tactic number 4, subscription promo packs. Now, you're spending a ton of dollars, time, energy to get customers to your store this holiday season. So it's in your best interest to do everything possible to get them to convert. Now, shops using both subscriptions that see the best conversion offer an amazing package month 1 that converts into a regular subscription ongoing. So for example, rather than just offering the plain old boring coffee subscription, offer an amazing holiday bundle like this one here that includes a milk frother and 2 exclusive mugs and 2 of your best selling coffee syrups, and of course, your t-shirt of your brand. So when they subscribe, they'll get all that month 1, and then in month 2, the coffee ongoing. Now, setting this up is actually really easy. It's one of our subscription maximizers, and it's called convertible subscriptions. So convertible subscriptions is a feature that automatically switches the products in a subscription after the first shipment. So it's great for things like subscribe to the scent diffuser and then just get the scents every month, but it's also great for promotional events like Black Friday. So to set this up, I just simply create a bundle product in my Shopify store that has all the products included that I want to include in the bundle offer. Then when I set up the subscription group like this, I select the bundle product as the main product. Then I make it a convertible subscription and I set it to switch to the regular coffee on month 2 and so on. Now you have an amazing offer only available to subscribers that will maximize Black Friday subscription conversion even more. Black Friday to the max, tactic number 5, my last one. Optimize for success. Now, all the promotions in the world don't mean anything if you don't convey them to your shoppers. The first and most important thing to get right is the fundamentals and what I call objection busters. So every potential customer that comes to your store today and this holiday season has objections that you need to bust. And if you don't, your chances of selling to them is very little. So some of these objections are, how do I cancel my subscription if I need to? Can I pause it? What if I need to skip a month or change something? Am I going to have to phone in? Is this going to be a horrible experience? Can I manage it online or do I need a phone? So these are the questions. These are the objections going through their heads as they shop, and you need to bust them. You need to address every potential objection on the product page that has subscriptions. Now, that's the basics. So you have to do that. But to really see success and take it to the next level, make sure you communicate all the benefits of subscribing. Often there's more than just the simple subscribe and save. So a few big things to remember here are, like, the simple convenience of a subscription is not a differentiator. All your competitors are offering a subscription as well. You need to convey why your subscription, or better put, your membership, the whole package of your subscription, is so much better than the rest. List all the benefits clearly, everything they get with it, any other perks. And finally, don't trust that customers will understand how your subscription discounts work. Make it large and obvious in their face, right on the product pages. Save 50% your first month or whatever it is. It needs to be really, really obvious, because at the end of the day, the only true value is perceived value. So make sure your customers understand what they're getting, what they're saving, make sure they actually perceive the value, and just how amazing and exclusive your offer is and why you're better than everyone else. Okay, that's it for this video. Make sure to watch the next one for more ways to take your holiday sales to the max. Thank you for watching.